Hi, Miss Jenny Ann. Good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Jenny Ann Musni Ramos. I'm 36 years old. I live in San Vicente, Magalang, Pampanga.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have kids?
Yes. Three kids. The first is boy, is 18 years old. And the second is girl, 12 years old. And the third is 6 years old.
Okay, ma'am. How many siblings do you have?
Four, a youngest.
You are the youngest, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Tell me about your educational background.
I'm undergraduate of high school because financial problem.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience in abroad only 2 months because I have a family problem.
Okay, ma'am. What are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
Cleaning the house, washing, iron, and gardening.
Okay, ma'am. How would you describe yourself?
I'm working in beautician.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, in the feet.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, CS.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
Because for family and for my kids to finance the education.
Okay, ma'am. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk them to kind boys.
Okay. Your last question, ma'am. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employers, I
And your last question, ma'am. What is your message to your future employer?
to my future employer, ayaw na po rin naman. Gusto.
Sagot mo. Okay, ma'am. Your last question. What is your message to your future employer?
To my employer, ano yun sir? Agree, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Your last question. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I will do my best and honesty in my working.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.